Welcome back to Wheel Wisdom, where the road is your playground and every vehicle gets its moment to shine. If you have been waiting for a motorhome that merges compact luxury with full-scale capability, then buckle up, because the 2025 Tiffin Allegro Breeze is about to redefine how you think about Class A motorhomes. Small in footprint, but mighty in performance and comfort, the new Allegro Breeze might just be the sweet spot you have been hunting for. Whether you are a first-time buyer ready to dive into the RV lifestyle, a family itching for road trip-ready comfort, or a car enthusiast seeking that perfect balance between size and substance, this one checks all the boxes. Let's talk about the heart of the machine. The 2025 Tiffin Allegro Breeze is powered by a robust 340 horsepower Cummins B6.7V, 8 diesel engine, paired with an Allison 2500 mH 6-speed automatic transmission. It sits on a Tiffin Power Glide chassis that delivers a surprisingly smooth and responsive ride. For a motorhome under 33 feet, the Breeze lives up to its name, light on its feet and incredibly easy to handle. According to the latest news, updates from Tiffin confirm improved ride tuning and suspension dynamics for the 2025 model, giving drivers a more car-like experience behind the wheel. Fuel economy is always a concern with diesel pushers, but the Allegro Breeze manages to impress here too. Thanks to its smaller size and lighter weight, it averages around 12 to 14 miles per gallon, depending on load and terrain. For a diesel Class A, that is a standout figure, saving you cash on long hauls while extending your range between fill-ups. Let's swing around to the real star of the show, the interior. Starting with the bathroom, Tiffin has delivered what can only be described as a rolling luxury spa. The modern showroom-style bathroom features high-end fixtures, a glass shower door, and polished chrome accents. You get a solid surface vanity with vessel sink, LED backlighting on the mirrors, and generous cabinet storage, all designed with a spa-like calm that makes morning routines feel indulgent. The tile work is modern and tasteful, and there is even a skylight that bathes the shower in natural light, elevating the space. Move into the bedroom, and the Allegro Breeze continues to impress. A walk-around queen-sized bed is standard, but there is an option to upgrade to a king. Premium memory foam mattress? Check. Underbed storage? Absolutely. Ambient reading lights, handcrafted cabinetry, USB ports on both nightstands, and wardrobe closets with cedar lining bring the upscale vibe full circle. It is the kind of bedroom that lets you forget you are parked in a campsite. Now, let us head over to the living area and kitchen. This is where families and road trippers will feel right at home. The living room boasts ultra-leather furniture that is both plush and durable. The layout is open, with a powered theater sofa directly across from a flush-mounted LED smart television and an electric fireplace. The dinette can be converted into a work-from-the-road space or an extra sleeping berth for the kids. Surround sound and dimmable lighting give you the perfect vibe for movie nights or rainy day lounging. As for the kitchen, get ready to be wowed. Tiffin does not cut corners. The solid surface countertops gleam with a high-end finish. You have a residential-style stainless steel refrigerator, a convection microwave oven, induction cooktop, and an under-mount double basin sink with a pull-down sprayer. The cabinetry is custom hardwood with soft-closed drawers and deep pantry storage, ideal for extended trips. Whether you are whipping up pancakes for breakfast or grilling dinner at your next scenic stop, this kitchen will keep you inspired. Window placement in the Allegro Breeze is all about framing the view. Large panoramic windows in the living area and bedroom allow natural light to pour in, enhancing the openness of the space. Frameless, dual-pane tinted windows are standard and include roller shades for privacy and solar blocking. They are easy to clean and built to withstand changing climates. It is clear that Tiffin has optimized every window for visibility, ventilation, and style. Up top, the roof deserves its own applause. Constructed using a one-piece molded fiberglass cap, is built for durability and weather resistance. According to the latest news, updates from the RV community confirm that Tiffin's roof insulation now includes eco-friendly materials without compromising thermal efficiency. Plus, there is roof-mounted solar prep and space for additional panels if you are leaning toward off-grid adventures. The front cabin is where drivers will fall in love. Tiffin's dash design for 2025 is fully digital, intuitive, and gorgeous. A 10.1-inch touchscreen controls navigation, diagnostics, and entertainment. The captain's chairs are heated, power-adjustable, and wrapped in leather with full swivel capabilities to convert into part of the living space when parked. Sight lines are excellent with a panoramic one-piece windshield and powered sunshade. There is also a new 360-degree camera system that enhances visibility and safety while parking or maneuvering in tight areas. Tech-wise, the Allegro Breeze is absolutely current. You get Wi-Fi and 5G prep, multiplex wiring with app control, and smart climate management. There is Bluetooth audio throughout, wireless charging pads, and a central control system that even your grandmother could figure out. On the safety side, features include tire pressure monitoring, lane departure alerts, collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. So, what is the damage to your wallet? The base price of the 2025 Tiffin Allegro Breeze starts at approximately $289,000 United States dollars. While that is certainly premium, you're getting a luxury diesel pusher experience in a compact Class A body, something rare in the market. Factor in fuel savings, lower maintenance costs due to the smaller chassis, and high resale value, and the price starts to make real sense for families or couples planning serious travel. As with any RV, there are some trade-offs. The smaller size means slightly less underbelly storage than larger diesel pushers, and while the bathroom is beautiful, it is still a single bath layout. But if you can live with those limitations, what you get in return is better drivability, better fuel efficiency, and access to more compact campsites. For many buyers, those are advantages worth embracing. So here is the final verdict. The 2025 Tiffin Allegro Breeze is not just a downsized motorhome, it is a cleverly engineered, beautifully appointed, and surprisingly agile travel machine. If you are a first-time buyer who wants to ease into RV life without sacrificing comfort, a family who wants to hit the road with all the luxuries of home, or a motorhome veteran who's downsizing without downgrading, this could be the perfect fit. Compact has never felt so complete. Thanks for riding along with us on Wheel Wisdom. If this review helped you see the 2025 Tiffin Allegro Breeze in a new light, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more detailed road-tested reviews, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments. Until next time, stay curious, drive smart, and never stop exploring. Safe travels.